Yeah, you got like 4 pounds of pretzels on there. What do you expect was gonna happen? It not to fall? Hi there, Michelle here, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, me and my sister are gonna be making gingerbread houses. We're gonna do that again. Gingerbread houses. These have been sitting in my room for like 2 weeks now, and I've wanted to break into them several times. So we got these from Michael's, and we're gonna make gingerbread houses. This is probably the first food-related thing on my channel. She's the one who had the idea to do it. She can't be mad about being on camera when it's her idea to do it. Let me show you what this kit comes from, and then we both have like ideas, because this house here, it's not gonna look like this. Also, I feel like we're YouTubers from like 2010 right now. Also, we're filming in my sister's bedroom. Clearly it's not mine. With the children. You get a house, and then you get a little platform, which is new. Never had a platform. It gives you, this is all the icing. Okay, so it gives you the white icing, green icing, the red icing, like 12 gumdrops, like not enough, chocolate thingies, and then these little tiny gingerbread children. So for my idea, you know, I am a grandpa, and I feel like my bedroom belongs in a certain type of house. That is the house that I'm going to be making. It is going to be an old man cabin that hasn't, you know, seen any visitors in 30 plus years. We actually went out and bought certain things for our own cabin. I have pretzels, because I'm going to be making it like a log cabin. For some reason, this really long bag of pretzels that I have no idea why someone... It was the only one. It was the only one. I bought these. These are those chocolate pebbles. Expensive chocolate pebbles. They cost me $12. And when she rang me up, I'm like, well, I can't not too far. There, you know? So that's my house idea. Your house idea? Frogs. Zombie frogs, to be specific. Attacking a gingerbread village. We got half crumpled up people. We got people with red sugar on it to symbolize blood. And then if that's not enough, red food coloring. And we got gel food colorings. And specifically, I only need more red. And I need green to be the toxic slime. Because it's not Christmas if it's not spooky. What's gonna happen is we're both gonna build our houses. We're obviously gonna see each other's houses. And we don't have anyone to like in person judge us. You guys are gonna judge us. So on my Instagram and on like the YouTube community tab, I'm gonna be posting both of our houses. And then you get to vote to see who the winner is. I only have yarn scissors. You can't use yarn scissors on other. I don't have other scissors. It has a little path. It has a little pathway for the zombie frogs to walk up. Do you think the zombie frogs care about those paths? They care about a lot, actually. I don't know how you're supposed to put the icing into this icing bag. So I'm just gonna... This is the way to do it. Cut the white bag, like the big tip in the white bag, and also you gotta cut the bottom of this first. Let this be known, this is the actual first gingerbread house I'm making. That's actually gonna like looks like something okay. Look like a house? It's gonna look like something. Honestly, I thought it was like the size of the box. I'm kind of glad it's not though. Oh yeah. I'm struggling. Normally you do this. Yeah. This is stupid. What did you do? No, there's a stupid little like chimney. Like this is supposed to sit flush. How the heck is it supposed to sit flush? Who designed this? It doesn't make any sense. I don't know. Okay, the chimney has fallen off due to the years of neglect. I have to say this icing is actually pretty good though. Because you know sometimes you get it and it's just so hard that like it doesn't want to work. Why do both sides of the house have a door on it? I mean, it makes sense for your house because they need to escape. Okay, am I supposed to like hold it while it dries? I'm just thinking about this right now. I probably shouldn't have put the roof on. What is him? He's been affected by the frogs. What is him? You're going inside. You get a special friend. Oh, the chimney's on. Oh no. You can kind of snap it off. That's what I did. That was weak. I was like, oh no, it's caving in. It's on. Now, was this always your original idea that you were gonna do to this house? I think my original idea is just you can eat half of it and give up. I'm like, no, if you're gonna do it, you gotta do it right. And I was like, well, Halloween is like an option, but then why not frogs? It's like I had an idea in my head. I don't know if it's happening. This is why I don't have a cooking show. my gosh, the other jelly icing was actually jelly icing. This like literally looks like a massacre, and I did not want this. I just wanted frogs. You wanted frogs that are eating people. They just want food. They just want love. I'm gonna put a frog down, see how I feel. Oh no, my roof. I'm about to tear this down 2 seconds and give up. No. You know, this side's caving in. I think my house needs some support beams. Did you decorate the back of it? Not yet. Maybe we just don't need to decorate the back of it. My hands are so sticky. They're full of icing. I did not need to buy this many frogs. You know what? For some reason, I thought it was gonna be bigger. I thought it was gonna be bigger. Because we've had one before. But you opened it. Yeah. You saw this beforehand. I had no idea. I did see it. And I forgot. Yeah, here we are. Here we are. Look at us. Who would have thought? Who would have thought? Not me. Not me.
Not me.
Oh no. The support beams. They're supposed to support the roof. What? What's going on? Ah! It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. They are not chocolate. They are chocolate. Aren't they chocolate? These are not chocolate. I thought they were. Like, you know what type of chocolate I'm talking about. They're not chocolate. My jubs! It's not looking too hot right now. You have to remember, this is like gingerbread village, you know? They're just little gingerbread men. They don't have carpentry skills, and they're just trying their best in life until these zombie frogs got them, and it hasn't been so amazing since. It's always not a good jub. Which would you have? Green? I had purple. It was promising. Purple's always promising. It was promising, and I was lied to. I feel like this alone, this part here, makes it, Michelle. Oh, that's a good idea. I should do that in the middle so that they all stay. Oh my god, why does he actually look angry? He's in the chimney! My house is kind of falling apart. It's fine. It's fine. It's Christmas. Happy Christmas. The structure of it was like the worst part, and now it's just like fun zone. You know what screams Christmas? What? Twister. There's so many pretzels. So hard to break these evenly. Can I do a shout out to my friends? Sure. Hi Nicole and Allie, and Brooke and Alessia and Danielle. Better vote for me, or Morty will know. You know, I looked up online, cute little like houses. I'm like, wow, those look good. I can do that. I cannot. I gave myself 0 expectations. Listen, I can make a casserole. I can make a good casserole. And I also can make really good cookies. But when it comes to decorating, once my hands get sticky, I don't want to do it anymore. It's something, that's for sure. I'm not done mine. I have to still do the roof. And like the front. Like I'm just like decorating the sides and working my way up. I've run out of icing. I don't know what I'm doing. It's too late. Oh no, it's too late. It's too late. It's happening. It's happened. It's happened. Oh no, 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 no. I'm just gonna get the pity votes, but that's fine. Because knowing that I stuck true to myself and my children. They're icing gel pens. It's to write like happy birthday. They're not icing. It says it right here, gel pens. That's why they're like that. Like what? Like jelly. How you're like, I didn't want them to be jelly. It's a disaster. Why did I buy $12? Why did I buy $12 of frogs? I used literally a handful of these. You know, I thought the house was going to be bigger. I also thought there was going to be more icing. I thought it would look prettier. I mean, it's not horrible. Oh, it's a nightmare. More frogs. I feel like my roof is slowly sliding. Yeah, you got like 4 pounds of pretzels on there. What do you expect was gonna happen? It not to fall? Now the frogs are kind of like defending the property since now they're home. I feel like the roof is just bare on mine and I don't want to add too much, but like, I know. Do I just like cover it in frogs? I mean, you're the one who's gonna eat it. Do you want I have to eat this. Are you feeling good about yours? Now I am. And here is my house completed. Some would say I used too many pretzels. I myself think I didn't use enough. It stood up, it didn't fall down, which is great, and I did the best that I could do. Reminder, this is why I don't have a baking channel. My gingerbread house theme is zombie frogs. I feel like the red and green icing really brings to life my frog zombie vision. The gingerbread people definitely add that nice touch of realism as well. And yeah, this is exactly the chaotic vision I had in mind for my spooky Christmas vibe. Okay, they're done. I always think I'm gonna do better than I can, but look at this monstrosity. But also, I would live in it. And I think that's the point of making a gingerbread house is, would you live in it? And if the answer is yes, then it's fine. I'd definitely live in a zombie Frog Utopia, 100%. Because you're probably the one who made them zombie frogs. I don't want to lift it up, because if I lift it up, it will fall apart. Yours is like 5 pounds pretzels. So yeah, it's pretty much 90% pretzels. It is what I planned it to be. It just, you know, things happen. This happens. We're not professionals. This is what it looks like. So you can go on my Instagram or you can go on my YouTube community tab. I will have a place where you can vote which one, let's put which one you'd rather live in, okay? Let's take the aesthetic out of it.
No, aesthetic too, because I worked damn hard on mine. I don't want to live in a log cabin that's gonna break down in 5 minutes. I'm sorry, the frogs are holding everything together. And then you have like a fun family with the frogs.
Vote which one you like the best. We did our best. And then that's it. If you're new to my channel, it's not a cooking channel. It's not at this channel. So if you like sewing, thrifting, crafting, and crocheting, why not hit the subscribe button? You can also follow me on my Instagram and my TikTok, which is fancydinotparty. I think that is it. So y'all have a nice day now.